High above the shifting tides of Normandy, perched like a crown upon a rocky island, stands the Abbey of Mont Saint-Michel, a place where stone meets sky and time whispers through ancient walls. This breathtaking Gothic wonder began in the 8th century, inspired by a dream. Legend says the Archangel Michael appeared to Bishop Aubert of Avranches, instructing him to build a sanctuary on this very mount. What rose from that vision became one of Europe's most iconic pilgrimage sites and, today, one of its most magical destinations. The abbey itself is a feat of medieval engineering. Built over centuries, it climbs the island like a spiral staircase. Monks' quarters, chapels, cloisters, and the stunning refectory where light filters in like a divine presence. Every stone was laid by hand, carried up steep paths as tides crashed below. But it's not just the architecture, it's the feeling. When the fog rolls in and the spire disappears into clouds, Mont Saint-Michel becomes otherworldly, like a castle caught between heaven and earth. The tides here move faster than a galloping horse, surrounding the island and cutting it off from the mainland, just as it has for over 1,000 years. Whether you come for the history, the view, or a moment of peace, you'll leave with a piece of magic. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, comment, and subscribe for more dreamlike destinations from above. Merci for watching.